Organizing a kitchen and keeping the clutter at bay may feel like a full-time job regardless of the size of the space. Your beautifully cleaned countertops are once again in disorder if you turn your back for just 1 minute. Drawers that were once neatly organized are now in complete disarray. If this sounds familiar, a two-pronged strategy to restoring control using innovative kitchen organizing solutions could be in order. So let's take a look. 10 kitchen organizing ideas. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Clean out your fridge and add clear bins. It's always a smart idea to clean out your fridge, check expiry dates, and wipe everything down on a regular basis. Fruits and leafy greens wilt easily, so you may want to modify the temperature and humidity settings if you see any withering. Then, use transparent bins to organize related products like juice boxes or condiments, and name the containers with a sticker or dry erase marker. Number 9. Rethink your storage situation. Using some imaginative organizing, you can get more use out of your kitchen cabinets. Begin by gathering all of your dishes and assessing your situation. Then, put the products that are used the most frequently on the bottom shelf, where they are conveniently accessible. Special occasion objects, such as porcelain servers or crystal bowls, should be placed high and out of reach of children. Number 8. Include vertical storage. If I had to organize a kitchen, I'd want to have vertical storage for oven trays and chopping boards. When you store these objects vertically rather than horizontally, they are much easier to pull out, and you can easily store almost any size tray or board. I'll probably add at least 3 divisions, which produce 4 spaces, to categorize trays by size or usage. They are especially handy for the huge trays used in large-range cookers, but I recommend that everyone have one because vertical storage is so versatile. Number 7. Invest in a supporting role for the kitchen. While a properly equipped second kitchen would be ideal, we're thinking about well-stocked walk-in pantries and other variations of the main cooking space. Not only will you have more space to store and display your glassware and entertaining essentials, but you'll also have room for an extra dishwasher, an out-of-the-way spot to store the cooking essentials that you don't want to display, and a single location to keep all of your morning ritual necessities. This room is frequently an extension of the kitchen, accessible by a cased entrance and featuring the same cabinetry and countertops as the rest of the kitchen. Number 6. Consider ergonomic efficiency. Glassware should be kept near beverages, pans should be kept near the oven, and crockery should be kept between the dining table and the dishwasher. You'll have everything you need near at hand as you walk around the kitchen if you organize goods together to establish zones: cooking, cleaning, preparation, and so on. Your entire kitchen will seem neatly organized and straightforward to operate if you follow these ergonomic economic concepts. Number 5. Label everything. We have mentioned labeling a bit, right? The advantage of a walk-in pantry or larder closet is that everything is visible at a glance, and you don't have to remember where you put the rock salt. One disadvantage of displaying bulk order goods is that not all of them come in attractive packaging. Fortunately, there are a plethora of highly beautiful pantry organizing ideas that you can use as an inspiration for your kitchen organizing ideas. What you buy will be influenced by aesthetics, but you should also consider how simple it will be to clean your pantry organizers, the amount of space they will hold, and the lid design. Number 4. Keep kitchen tech tidy. Kitchens have evolved into really versatile areas where we work, rest, and entertain now that we spend more time at home. We're now being requested for tech drawers in addition to breakfast cupboards, which are meant to provide convenient access to plugged-in toasters, juicers, and coffee makers. These battery-operated drawers are ideal for folks who work from home or have adolescents. When not in use, they conceal unsightly cords and chargers, freeing up counter space and allowing everything to be stored in one tidy location. Number 3, choose clear storage containers. Put your pantry essentials in see-through containers after you've organized everything. The clear baskets will make it much easier to see what you have on hand and what needs to be replenished the next time you go shopping. Number 2, schedule a regular clear out. Even if you have the best of intentions, it's all too easy for your neatly organized cupboards and drawers to become disorganized. Remove everything, toss out any out-of-date stock, and replace any misplaced products with their proper spot. To make the task more doable, make it a yearly event or commit to emptying out 1 unit every week or fortnight on a rolling basis. Number 1, use kitchen doors. If you don't have enough space for a large pantry, making use of cabinet doors might help you keep basic goods organized. When arranging a kitchen, arranging them with certain content in mind will help you make the most of the available space. Racks for oils, spices, coffee, and even common goods like pasta and grains may be added. When it comes to decreasing the noise of bottles and jars clanking when you open the doors, wooden racks are preferred over metal. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.